Hello friends, welcome to Collab Entertainment. In this video I am going to share some facts about snakes. It's a known fact that there are non-venomous and venomous snakes, but majority are the non-venomous snakes. Among all species, reticulated python is the largest snake in the world. It measures up to 6.95 meters. Python is non-venomous snake, but by constriction and biting it kills the prey. The smallest snake is the Barbados thread snake, which measures up to 10.4 centimeters, which is non-venomous. Here is the interesting fact about the snake's tongue, that is forked shape. It is often seen that snake's tongue is extended outward to collect the airborne particles from the surrounding air, and these particles are delivered to the olfactory organ, that is smell sensing organ in the snakes called Jacob's organ. Snakes don't have external ears, eyelids, ribs, diaphragm and lymph nodes. After hearing that snakes don't have external ears, we may get a doubt that how do snakes feel sound? Their hearing apparatus inside the head is attached to jaw bones. So when snakes are crawling, they feel vibrations. Snake's skull is incredible due to its flexibility. This flexibility is due to ligaments between the bones, so they can open their mouth as wide as the size of the prey. As I mentioned before, snakes don't have eyelids, instead they have brill. It is a German word which means spectacles or glasses. It is clearly seen during the molting. Molting ecdysis is the shedding process in the snake. During molting, snakes search for the safe place and stops eating. The significance of this molting is to replace the old skin and to get rid of the parasite that skin has. The younger snakes will shed 4 times in a year and the older snakes shed 1 to 2 times in a year. Molting in younger snake promotes growth of the snake. Snakes are polyphyodonts, which means teeth of the snakes are continuously replaced. When we see about the lungs, left one is vestigial or absent. Righter one is the predominant one. There are 700 species of venomous snakes. Among them, 250 have the capacity to kill with a single bite. Here is the interesting facts about the venom of the snake. Venom is the modified saliva which is produced in the venom gland and stored in the duct. When the snake bites, venom from the duct passes through fangs and injected into the prey. Venom is the complex mixture of proteins. These proteins can potentially be a mix of neurotoxin, hemotoxins, cytotoxins, bungarotoxins. Venom contains an enzyme called hyaluronidase enzyme which ensures the rapid diffusion of venom into the prey. By seeing a snake bite, we can identify whether the snake is venomous snake or non-venomous snake. If the dots are 2 dotted, the snake is venomous snake. If the dots are discontinuously U-shaped one, it represents the non-venomous snake. By seeing 3 things in the snake also we can identify whether the snake is venomous or non-venomous. If the head is triangular, pupil is elliptical and the caudal plate has single row, it represents the poisonous snake or venomous snake. If the head is rounded, pupil is round and the caudal plate has double row, it represents the non-venomous or non-poisonous snake. Sometimes in the news or rarely we can see more than one head snakes. This is due to disorders in the snake. Snake venom has medicinal uses like captopril, which is used in the hypertension treatment, and eptifibatide, which is used as antiplatelet drug. On the screen we can see serpents around the rod. It represents the rod of Asclepius. Asclepius is the god of healing and medicine. So finally, this is a video friends. Thanks for watching. If you feel like useful, please do like, share and subscribe for more videos.